Today I'm going to demonstrate how to create a quiz using Kahoot. Kahoot is a great free Web 2.0 tool that is useful in the classroom. It's super engaging for students, and it's an easy formative assessment for teachers to give because it provides instantaneous results. First of all, you will need to create an account and log in. Then you will see where it says create a new Kahoot. There are 4 options: quiz, jumble, discussion, and survey. We're going to do a quiz today. You need to give your quiz a title and then a description. You can change the fields of to whom it's visible, the language, but you are required to select the audience, which will be school. Then you simply click OK, Go, and begin to add questions by clicking on the purple plus sign. Add a question and select the time limit. I like to do 10 seconds because I find that's long enough for students to think about their answer, but not too long in between questions. You're allowed to give up to 4 possible answers. And then you need to click on the check mark to make it green for the correct answer. If you want to illustrate your question or have a question about a picture, you can upload images here. Then click Next, and it will take you to where your quiz is beginning to populate, and you continue to add questions until you have all that you need. If you want to edit an individual question, you have your tools over here on the right: delete, copy, or edit. Once you're finished, click Save in the top right-hand corner. And you'll also see other options. You can go back and edit again. You can preview it to see what it will look like to students, or you can hit play, of course, and you can also share it. The share feature is wonderful if you're on a content team. You can have one colleague create it for a certain topic or unit of study, then everybody can use the same Kahoot. Click on I'm done. And under My Kahoots, you'll see all the Kahoots once you have more than one created. And when you log back in to play with your class, simply click on Play. And you have a choice. You can play the classic version, which is every student uses their own device, or you can do team mode, in which students will share devices. This is a good option if your school is not BYOD, but my students typically enjoy the classic version better as they like to compete against one another. So click on Classic, and then Kahoot will populate a unique PIN number for your game. Students will enter this PIN in order to join. To the left, you'll see the amount of players that have joined the game. So if you have a class of 30, then you'll wait until you see 30 players. You can also see their names pop up here. And if someone happens to enter something inappropriate, you can kick them off by clicking on their name. Just a tip, I always tell students they must type in their whole first name or their last name and first initial if they want to receive credit. And that's how you make a Kahoot quiz.